Most people think the reason they're broke is because they don't earn enough money. But the truth is, income is rarely the real problem. There are people earning average salaries who build wealth, and there are people earning high salaries who still live paycheck to paycheck. So what's really going on? The biggest reason most people stay broke is lifestyle inflation. The moment their income increases, their expenses increase too. New phone, better car, bigger house, more shopping, more eating out. Instead of upgrading their investments, they upgrade their lifestyle. Another reason is spending before saving. Many people save whatever is left at the end of the month. But here's the problem. There's usually nothing left. If you don't pay yourself first, you'll always be last in line. Then there's the trap of easy credit. Credit cards, buy now pay later offers, loans for things that don't grow in value. Debt quietly eats your future income. You work hard, but your money is already promised to someone else. And let's not forget the lack of financial education. Schools teach us how to work for money, but not how to make money work for us. Without learning about budgeting, investing, and saving, even a good salary disappears fast. The difference between staying broke and building wealth is not how much you earn. It's how you manage what you earn. Wealth starts when you control your money instead of letting your money control you. If you want to stop being broke, don't focus only on increasing your income. Focus on increasing your discipline, your knowledge, and your habits. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the size of your salary. It's about the size of your financial mindset.